I said, oh, it's not because I'm handsome, man. She's like, yeah, you see, you're so funny. Great Tuesday.
In the morning, back tomorrow from 5, or when you wake up. Only on Cross 95.